You want to calculate the total of a large range of cells, such as the values of these stocks. You could type =, B2, the number of Contoso shares, asterisk to multiply, B3, the share price, the plus sign to add, C2, asterisk, C3, and so on. But it would take forever with a large series, and it would be easy to make a mistake and not notice it. An easier way? Use an array formula. An array is a series of data in a row, column, or a combination of rows and columns. You've probably used them before. B2:F2 is an array, also commonly referred to as a range of cells. An array formula performs calculations on the data in one or more arrays, returning either a single or multiple results. With an array formula, you type =, sum, opening parenthesis, select the cells in the shares row. This is the first array in the array formula, then an asterisk to multiply. Select the cells in the price row. This is the second array in the array formula. And this is the key difference when you enter an array formula. You press Ctrl-Shift-Enter, not just enter. If you press just enter, you'll get either an incorrect value if the regular function's valid, or a value error if it's not. I didn't type a closing parenthesis in the formula. Pressing Ctrl-Shift-Enter does this for you. The array formula multiplies each cell in the shares row by the respective cell in the price row, and then sums or adds these and returns the total value of $14,421.87. In the formula bar, the formula is enclosed in braces, meaning it's an array formula. This is automatically done when you press Ctrl-Shift-Enter. Don't type these braces. If you do, Excel will interpret your formula as text, not as a formula.